What is up guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Technical Tech IP. So guys, today in this video we will be unboxing this KMD wireless bone conduction headphone, and the model number is KMD-A2-112, and I am having the black color variant. And in the box you can get to see that it is the wireless headset and some basic features in the front side of the box. In the side of the box you will get to see the black color one, and in the behind the box you will get to see that 4.2 Bluetooth technology. You can stand by up to 200 hours. And let's unbox it. In the box you will get this headphone, a earbud, and a micro USB charging cable. You will also get some paperwork. In that paper you will get all the social handles of the company through which you can contact. So let's check out the product. In the product you will get the model number, the KMD branding, and to on it you will get the power button. You will have to press it for 2 to 3 seconds. Then you will have to turn on Bluetooth in your smartphone, and if it is already paired it will automatically connect. So if you want to attach the earbud, you will have to attach the earbud to the headphone like this, and you can use it to listen music. To charge it you will get a charging port, and when you will connect it to charge it will show you a red light, and when it will turn into blue it means that your headset is fully charged. So this was the unboxing and quick review of this bone conduction earphone, and if you want this type of more videos then vote in the poll given in the top side. And if you want to purchase this item, I have purchased it from Paytm Mall, and I have given the product link in the description too. So don't forget to subscribe our channel, and